Pranam to all. Aparajita flower plants are the easiest flowering plants you can grow at home. This flowering creeper plant requires a bit of support and is perfect for a balcony. Some people love to give them a bonsai look instead of a creeper one. Aparajita plant is known as butterfly pea, Clitoria ternatia, bluebell vine, and or Asian pigeon wing in English. Some people want to know that why isn't our Aparajita plant not flowering? What do we do to get more blooms in our plant? The main reason behind the Aparajita plant not flowering is due to not providing it with enough sunlight and moisture. Keep in partial sunlight. If your Aparajita plant is not flowering, then the main reason can be the sunlight. So, to prevent it, make sure our Aparajita plant is getting 6 hours of direct sunlight. During its flowering season, you should make sure to mist your plant every day. Biggest thing while caring for Aparajita is properly watering it. As this plant is kept under direct sunlight, it requires a lot of water. So you can add coco peat in the soil to make your plant moist all the time. For Aparajita plant care, the potting soil that you used for it must have a good moisture retention capacity. So the ideal soil mix should be 40% garden soil, 20% coco peat, and the rest 40% should be kitchen waste compost. Instead of using kitchen waste compost, you can also use vermicompost. If you want to know how to make kitchen waste compost free of cost, you can go to our channel and watch a video about how to make kitchen waste compost. Another tip to get a lot of flowers is to use a good quality of fertilizer. Although the Aparajita flower is not a heavy feeder, you can give it a slight amount of fertilizer during its growing stage every 15 days interval. My mom usually gives dilute rice water, liquid kitchen waste fertilizer, sometimes fruit peel fertilizer, and some amount of kitchen waste compost. To get rid of pests or to make the plant healthy, my mom usually sprays Bioenzymes over the foliage. We have already uploaded in our channel about how to make Bioenzyme. So, if you are interested, you can watch that video. I hope this video helped you. If you still have any doubts, do make sure to ask us through the comment section. If you like our video, then subscribe to our channel and watch all our other videos. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.